So, which protein supplement is trusted by over 1,600 providers nationwide, and the supplement that I've been using and recommending for over 10 years? And it is the Cornerstone Protein Meal Replacement Shake. So, what makes this protein so special is that, as you can see, it has high quality whey and pea protein per 2 scoops of just the shake mix. It's 23 grams of this high quality protein. And when you blend it with milk, you're getting over 30 grams of high quality protein with one shake. It has all of your daily vitamins and minerals, all of your vitamin D, methyl B12, medium chain triglycerides, helps you to feel satisfied after you drink it. So you don't have to purchase any extra vitamins when you're on this. And the best part is it tastes great and can be used by anyone. The company also has an ultra purified omega fish oil as well as a MetaSyst metabolic support. To get 10% off your entire order, just check out their website, enter code HEALTHYLIFE, or simply click on the link in the video description to take you directly to their page with the 10% off already added.